publish pun ipi bro simpan kijing pitip namta ki khubor Laitkam kam ke balait ke bedia poka civil defense and homeguard organization ki don kumba saus pa tame tiki bakwa ban apply snga ba pe hai ke bedia rakut mano ki bala ban apply nomor omdei baro ki la ban apply ki ni post tiki jinon kam baro sampai ke video do bakut application are invited in the prescribed printed form. Mau don like a printed form, pihak print from both male and female kadai offline mau dari online from both male and female candidate who are who are Indian citizen and domicile in the state of Meghalaya to fill 4 vacancy of rank of SI sub inspector, to fill up 284 vacancy in the rank of guardsman and equivalent rank, to fill up 17 vacancy of drivers, to fill up 140 vacancy of non-combatant employees NCE. The vacancy in cell number 2, 3 and 4 will be filled from those who are trained Homeguard and civil defense volunteer. Baik hang ni ada pang clear lima. Ya kan number 2, number 3 dan number 4 ki yo tang ki train Homeguard. Ki bom pat dep train Homeguard pinom yo pan apply pi yo tang ya ke SI. Kita ro di graduate bachelor. Tang ki train Homeguard ki yo pan apply ya ka guardsman and equivalent driver but non-combatant employees. Kemawa. Tang ki train Homeguard and civil defense volunteer. Tang ki civil defense volunteer but train Homeguard. Kemawa om baro pila ban apply gini tang ya ka SI baro ki ban apply la da kim padep train Homeguard ro gila ban apply tambah gi dipendap pada ya ka bachelor degree. Dekonsi fi reservation policy of state.com. Application form will be available will effect from 1st April 2024. Application form kan available by 3 April arja arpsau pinjau bayah po ke office onward through office of the district Homeguard komandan Shaneng teh Shaneng Februari po district Homeguard Shaneng Jowai Tura district training center Nongstone Mokorwat Nongpo Vidam Nagar Resibel Para Bakmara Ampati and Central Training Institute Civil Defense and Homeguard mau diang Shaneng on payment of 50 rupees only. Yagi form gijong fee on yo na do 3 April arja rapsau hakine ki office hagijong district. Ini district Homeguard komandan Shaneng Jowai Tura district training center Nongstone Mokorwat phablit wat gini sa yo ban yagi form nang tuwi. Mla repan yo no. The last date for receipt of application kan dai 3 May. Last date kan dai 3 of May man submit the application. Application received by hand or by post after last date will not be entertained. They don't kiba kwa wan send by post o biang tang balada ka poy last date kinom entertain them. Tegini recruitment shall be carried following posts carrying pay skill as indicated against each other. The SI baki baro ki banjo ibadab degree kade level 9 South League Post kawai nam tayu R khasi kawai karo 0 OST SC pro sao guardsman level 3 aspa prof sao safulai UR spa kasau khasi jantia spa khatlai garo kasau OST and SC aspa prof sao driver level 3 katuro kan nyau total pro lai UR nyau khasi jantia ndrew garo kawai OST SC kan nyau baro NCE level 1 chispa sopo total post arpu wega UR san pendriu khajijantia san pendriu garu inyo namtagi udar SCST baro belong chispa sopo tidak hilang kila wano sos patame the instruction roda batayang ne general instruction the application to the field should be submitted along with attested copy. The application will be pendap pihak submit ro bagi attested copies of the following certificate and document. Lai teligidor passport size habis application form educational qualification certificate jongpi ke birth certificate ke skill trial ke Homeguard and civil defense training for candidate applying for the post of guardsman equivalent rank driver and non-combatant employees. Application may be submitted by hand or registered post. A self-addressed stamp envelope pihak thoa ka tap envelope bu langbat stamp along with 5 postage sanka should also accompany the application. sekali bah kumdoban pendapat kita kumdoban yu ya kata stamp kumdoban yu sekali bah khubor application form application all spec kemudian file test copy of certificate and testimonial should be submitted to the following office gitu ke office kiba application form mala de hanong stone ni Shillong ni Jowai ni Tura ni Bagmara hiap submit hang tai eligibility following eligibility recruitment of various posts should be citizen okay belong to or domicile of Meghalaya should have undergone basic course conducted by the Homeguard training by civil defense or to apply for the post of guardsman equivalent okay other qualification kena hai nakaman ta SI ong bah abda bachelor degree in stream te mton kam dep training Homeguard re kisha ben arpo rafunyo plus nem te kan long wahdu life arts nem ka haji shimik kumju sispa asan punyo nam tagi ST te ka marks na jumara ada sispa mark ka test kare sispa mark or life spa mark ka written test bro kalong soft spa mark guardsman and equivalent rank di kelas 9 pass driver di kelas 9 pass tang mahabdon driving license HMV lane LMV driving license issue by the competent authority kanero kharpar arnyo plus san kaju ibaro de hadu life arts nam ka hadde be spasan punyo sentimeter kajing mare kade ars pa mark ke exam kade ars pa mark so spa bro tang nel dimension based on the total marks kun physical test and written test talai combine kini atali kin sim tang arsya the number of vacancy for each category chu ngane aspa kin sim so spa tam datar katu kubran so post kin sim tang pra kumta ka terrain 2 times kan shumot 5 with 2 number of posts NCE non competent ke di class 5 pass tang mahabdep training Homeguard no kane khat phra life r plus sans nem kane kan long khat phra life news nem NCE khat phra life news nem ka haj kam duna kane le mail ST including children of Meghalaya krechis pasan po r point san female ST including children of Meghalaya she's part of Kandai kini we nam tai kan thei kadai she's pa san po centimeter nam tai kan thei female ST including radar she's pa san po r nam tai SI she's pa san po r kan thei nam tai guardsman driver she's pa san po nam tai kan thei hai bat nam ta ka non combatant kan thei kadai she's pa so Kandai centimeter tiga marks kadai aspa marks na kumta NCE don written test air based on the total marks score in physical test on the total number of call for personal interview they can page tang na official efficiency in double the number of posts they can support na personal interview hang ni adapt ho candidate should be in subscribe age in the above was on 15/3/2024 di mana po je tegas nem adu khasan tarik benemalai arjar so there will be relaxation 5 year ngadap apa sansan nem kadan ke relaxation tang ada apa ini himak scheme of recruitment kadan ke fiscal sispa rutin spa interview di san phumak the purpose of guardsman aspa person pho driver kandon ka test driving syakari 100 marks. For selection of driver, a separate list shall be prepared based on the total mark obtained in physical efficiency test, written examination, personal interview, and driving test. Kandon sa driving test. Recruitment of non-combatant employees, kandon mitangga physical efficiency test, berka. Test lana interview, kat bagi pa, berolong aspasan po. Medical test, the test will be conducted only in respect of candidates who have qualified in the written test. Tanggi bakal qualified written test, kinca, boy medical test. Candidate should be free from bad eyesight, no knees, any other defect in the body, any debilitating disease, and the deficient doctor likely to compete. Kita cek doktor ini kan medical standard. Sampai imaki mendan kamar supisa nda pila qualify mah baru. Physical measurement kita poi ketika height belayang teh kin syari jaga jarak. After physical measurement test, the candidate or ketika mendan kamar la tahu ke height salah bane. Tesan kilometer res 6 taki senrang bat lai kilometer 6 taki kan thei tekin don itu RFID tax habdang ya katu sakhenya kapor 5 km race for male, candidate will have to complete within 24 minutes. And 3 km race for female, candidate will have to complete within 19 minutes. Kalong kumpa, kampulit hi kaju hi, amdon jinga perair. Candidate of fit should not attempt this race. Conduct of written examination or any so qualified physical efficiency test will be allowed to appear in the examination. The handler order beto, the opposition will consist of the following 3 paper. Tang matai bahai kini dan kam bahaya ka taban apply. Kira general English, elementary mathematics, multiple choice OMR, English tang athrai haptho essay, haptho yu kumbalong ka SI hi, kumju hi lagi way pada dan kam bej OMR sheet bej, multiple choice bej. Borok suppose kini OMR sheet bej, multiple choice question bej. Nam ta ka NCE dan kam re ban to exam. Ada batai ba nam tangi 2 times number of posts can poi ka personal interview te agar ka jingnon ka post ke multiply with 2 tigi ba hapa ka tu ka merit list kan sapoi haka personal interview. Admit card will be issued in respect of application which fulfill all requirement. Application taking submit admit card ru andal ada pandap de baro apo notice board lah ne apo website yang submit ka website kedai dulu make homeguard.gov.in. Nah, akan mau check po website man kapor nam ta kini kini tim akamnya akan mau tangga SI yo bro apply kini gue have done beja ka Homeguard training and civil defense volunteer. Kemudian ka SI ka po interview kan long tang prangut nam ta kan ba ka 2 times ta multiply be kan tuing kan mama ka last date kan dedu visiting me arja arsa kali offline mo fiable so bet haki office pa application form office so bet office ni tangi ni jemput tip kupleshbon